On the bench today we have the Sparmax GP-850. Immediately you can see this is set up as a spray gun rather than an airbrush. However, with a 0.5mm needle and nozzle set, it does sit within the parameters of airbrush size for line and spray quality. So let's have a little look at what we've got. So I'll put this bit to one side. Now, first things first, the machine itself. So the first thing you notice is the pistol grip, which maximizes comfort for longer spray sessions, especially when you are going to be using it for that wider spray and the larger coverage. You want to maximize comfort, especially with those sorts of larger surface areas. We have the collar here, which when loosened, this will come all the way off, and it allows you to quickly swap out between the fan and round nozzle caps. Comes off very easily, and in the box we also have a replacement collar and a round cap to replace the fan should we need to change the way that we are spraying. For now, I am going to pop the fan cap back on and the collar. So as we can see, it has a small hopper at the top there to hold a smaller quantity of paint. But if we pop that down, and I can show you, it comes with the large quantity paint hopper, high quality plastic, which means it's super lightweight, easy to screw on to your airbrush with a nice single twist locking mechanism for the lid. And obviously, as with all of the Sparmax range of airbrushes, you still have your preset handle. So even though you can use it and will usually use this for your broader spraying, either, as I say, in the fan or the round cap spray patterns, you can still tweak it and adjust it to allow for a much finer line or a much smaller spray pattern, depending on what it is you are spraying. Overall, as far as the spray gun side of airbrushes go, this is very, very popular, and it's a very nice machine, so you can see why. It also sits on a much friendlier price point. The nearest comparison of this airbrush in a Nuata will set you back in the region of £500 on the TH series. However, this one will cost you a little over £130, which I think you can agree, given the pistol grip, the preset handle, and the fan and round cap availability, plus the large capacity hopper, makes this really, really spectacular value for money. If you have any questions about this airbrush, or you'd just like to have a little bit of a closer look, come and see us at airbrushes.com on our website, visit us at our headquarters in Lancing, or give us a ring on the number on the website.